Hello everyone, welcome back once again in computer science class. In today's session we are going to learn a new topic, artificial intelligence. So in this video session we are going to learn about what, when, why and who of artificial intelligence. So one by one we will cover each and everything. So first I'm going to discuss about what is artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? So AI is basically stands for artificial intelligence, that is artificial plus intelligence. There are two words. The word artificial means man-made, which is made by human. Anything which is made by human, not natural, like phone, laptop, etc. Anything which is made by human. And what about the intelligence? Intelligence means the ability to learn, understand or think. So artificial means anything which is made by human, and intelligence means the ability to learn, understand or think, like human brain, like human brain. Okay, so what is the role of AI? AI means artificial intelligence, and the role of AI is to create a machine which can learn, understand or think like human. Clear? AI is a broad branch of computer science. There are lots of branch of computer science, and AI, artificial intelligence, is one of them. Okay, coming to the next point, AI is the science of training machines, or you can say that any system to perform human tasks. AI is an approach to make a computer or machine to think like humans. Basically, that is the main motive of artificial intelligence, is to make a computer or a machine, or you can say that robot also, machine like robot, that can think like human. Okay, AI is the branch of computer science, as you know very well, where we study how human brain think, learn, decide and work to solve any problem. So basically in the field of, or you can say that in the branch of computer science, we will learn about how human brain can think, learn, decide and work to solve any kind of problem. Okay, now coming to the next, when AI. So basically in 1956, John McCarthy first coined this term named artificial intelligence. So this term was first coined by the John McCarthy in 1956. Clear? In 1960, first robot was introduced to General Motors for solving general problems. So first robot was introduced to General Motors assembly line, that is General Problem Solver. General Problem Solver. Clear? In 1961, the first AI-based chatbot named Eliza was introduced. That was developed by Joseph Wengerbaum at MIT University. In 1977, IBM Deep Blue System, IBM के Deep Blue System ने एक IBM 1977 में एक IBM ने Deep Blue System डेवलप किया था, in which this system beats world champions named Gary Kasparov in games of chess. There was a chess game, एक chess game था जिसमें IBM के Deep Blue System ने वर्ल्ड चैंपियन गैरी कैस्परोव को चेस में हरा दिया. So this system was developed in 1977. In 2005, autonomous robotic car was developed in 2005. In 1965, you have to note it down. First expert system was developed by Edward Feigenbaum and Joshua Lederberg. Okay, was developed by Edward and Joshua. So it is important. In 2005, autonomous robotic car was developed, and in 2000, IBM Watson questions answering system was developed. IBM's question answering system Watson defeated two greatest champions named Brad Rutter and Kane Jennings. So in 2011, IBM Watson question answering machine, or you can say system, was developed. Okay, now coming to the next. Why artificial intelligence? Why AI? As you know very well, in the current scenario, on daily basis, the workload is increasing. Human workload is increasing. So for reducing human workload, AI concept came into the scenario. Easy to handle complex task, complex algorithm, any kind of critical problems can be solved with the help of artificial intelligence, or you can say that robotics. Scheduling daily routine work, like there are lots of gadgets are there, like Siri, Alexa, Cortana. There are lots of virtual assistants are there in the market, by which you can schedule your daily routine work. You can give them instructions to play music or to do any kind of work that are connected with your these devices like Siri, Alexa or Cortana. So, and next, what? Less time taken for solving any problem, because it is a machine and machine takes very less time for solving any kind of problem. To automate the things with the help of artificial intelligence, automation is going to be created. Okay, provide more power in defense field, not only in defense field but also in medical field, manufacturing field. It plays a very important role. Okay, so artificial intelligence basically why we are using to reduce human task, easy to handle any kind of complex problem or a task. You can say that to schedule daily routine work, to give instruction to a virtual assistant. These are the virtual assistant. Okay, less time taking for solving any kind of problem, to automate the things, provide more power in defense system, defense field, medical field, manufacturing field. Okay, so and lots of, in current scenario there are lots of apps which are based on AI. Okay, so now coming to the next, who is the founder of artificial intelligence? So basically these are the member of the team. You can say the team members: Herbert Simon, John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Arthur Samuel. Herbert Simon, Herbert Simon, Herbert Simon, one of the founding father of artificial. There was a group of 4 members in which Herbert Simon was one of the founding father of the artificial intelligence. Okay, basically Herbert Simon is known as logic theorist, general problem solver. You can say that. Minsky, Marvin Minsky, American cognitive computer scientist and also a co-founder of MIT AI laboratory. And what about the Arthur Samuel? The name Arthur Samuel is most popular because it has given the concept of machine learning in 1956. In 1956, the Arthur Samuels has given the concept of machine learning. And you know very well, John McCarthy was the computer scientist, American computer scientist. Later, John McCarthy was known as the father of artificial intelligence for his extraordinary role in artificial intelligence. So, if the question is asking about the father of artificial intelligence, you have to tick the mark here. John McCarthy was the father of artificial intelligence. But the question is asking about the founding father. Founding father. Founding father. So these are the founding fathers: Herbert Simon, John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and Arthur Samuel. These are the founding fathers. You can say that. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you for watching.